up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel.
At the end of the road, turn left onto Canora Drive.
Today's video, man, we got a couple things we need to do. I'm about to go up here and get the first break-in oil change done.
Take the next left onto Brandon Drive.
And also, I'm supposed to drop the car off today to get the security alarm installed. I'm really looking forward to getting this alarm put on my car.
Yeah. Turn left onto Old Mill Road.
I'm really excited about getting the alarm system put on here because y'all already know how they like to steal these cars. Even though, if they really want it, they gonna steal it. You know what I'm saying? That's why you got insurance. But I'm not trying to make it easy for them. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go up here and get this oil change done first, and then from there I'm gonna go and get the alarm system installed. I'm gonna try to talk to the guy and see if he can explain everything that's gonna happen, how the alarm works. Am I going the right way? So just in case you guys want to get something similar installed on your Charger, you definitely got to get something, man. Especially if you daily your car, that means you parking it in the grocery store, you parking it at an apartment building, maybe. You know, the car, you driving it every day, so you going and doing your everyday duties. So the car's going to be sitting somewhere by itself. So I just think it would help to have some kind of security, something to deter these people from trying to steal your car. I mean, again, I already know somebody gonna leave a comment. If they really want it, they're gonna steal it anyway. That's absolutely true. But I'm not gonna make it easy for them. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go up here, get the oil change, get the alarm system installed. So we got a jam-packed video for the day. I'm not sure what they got on the lot. And oh yeah, and you guys said you wanted me to continue to do the dealership Saturday, so I'm gonna start doing that again. But right now, man, it's just not anything on the lots, so it just really don't make sense to do dealership Saturday. That's why I haven't really been doing it. I haven't got any alerts saying that anything's on the lot. I'm trying to wait for the Hellcat Durango to show up. Once the Hellcat Durango shows up, I'm gonna do a review on that. So if this is your first time on my channel, man, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all once we get to the dealership. Let's go. Man, it feels good to be back in my car. I haven't driven it in a couple of days. It feels good driving this joint, man. I appreciate y'all sharing the videos and liking and comment, man. I really appreciate it. For anybody, man, who, you know, you got dreams of getting you one of these cars, you can do it, man. Trust me, nobody thought, you know, when I sold my RT, people was looking at me real crazy. Like, man, I can't believe you sold that car, bruh. If you got a plan, man, stick to it. As long as it makes sense, you can do it. Just go ahead and go for it, bruh. You only live once, man. For real, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no use in wasting time, bro, because tomorrow ain't promised, the next second ain't promised. So if anything you want to do, man, you got to go ahead and go for it. Ain't nobody gonna give you nothing. You got to go out here and take it. You know what I'm saying? Especially 2021, everybody in the world pretty much looking out for self, bro. So if it's something you want, go out here and get it, earn it, don't take it. You know what I'm saying? And just go for you, man. Do you. Make it make sense. Don't just be out here doing any and everything, bro. Go hard, man, because I'm telling you, things are obtainable. You just gotta go for it. And if you want to start a YouTube channel, man, go ahead and do it. And I tell you a little advice, I ain't gonna get too deep in it, but you gotta have your own original content. There's nothing wrong, like I said before in one of my other videos, there's nothing wrong with seeing what someone else is doing and try to do something similar, but to take just take somebody's idea and do the exact same thing and then rename it, that's not being original, and that's not gonna get you views. Cause trust me, YouTube pay attention to all that stuff, man. They know who original. They know, you know what I'm saying. That algorithm is real. You know what I'm saying. So be original, be you, and just gotta be creative, man. Everybody's different. You know what I'm saying. Just do you. It don't matter how many subscribers you got, man. That'll come. The subscribers will come. You just gotta just be original and do your homework, man. Find out how YouTube really works. And also, Hemi Life 44, I wanted to mention him because he also offering classes on how to be a YouTuber. And I think that's cool, man. There's nobody really in the car community like Dodge, you know, just affordable cars that's really teaching people how to be YouTubers. And him and his wife came up with a YouTube class to teach you how to be a YouTuber, man. I think that's pretty cool. So y'all should go over there and check that out. It's not free. That man taking time to, you know, put in the effort to create a class is not free. So go over there and pay for it. Now, I can't think it's like for $50 a class, I can't remember, but go over there and check out his channel and join those classes, man, because he's definitely going to teach you how to, you know, how to be a YouTuber. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I haven't really heard anybody, you know, promoting his classes, and I think we gotta look after each other, man. That's something we gotta do. You see somebody doing something, you gotta promote it. That's why I like free smoke. But we're gonna be pulling up here in a minute, man, to the dealership. So I see y'all in a second. I ain't gonna talk you to death. Let's go.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright guys, we got the oil change. We good to go now. Get a cold start real quick. Well, it ain't gonna be cold, it just drove it. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Gotta clean this joint up though. Dirty, it's been raining. Yes indeed. Got the good oil change. We back in action. Yes, sir. Best thing about it is I ain't had to pay for it. Always negotiate oil changes with my deals, bro. Got to do it. So we got the fresh oil up in here, so I can really do a little something now. Not today though, still a little wet out here. I ain't fooling around today. But this joint that gas all up. Y'all saw they got the 2021s up in this joint. Widebody Challenger, red eye, Hellcat in there. And I ain't record a whole lot because they had a lot going on. This dealership is actually busy. See, they got some Durangos over there. But so now I'm about to head back home and get something to eat. And then in a few hours, I gotta go up here and get this alarm system. So it's gonna be a few hours for me, but only a few seconds for y'all. So I'll see y'all when we get ready to drop the call for the security system. Let's go.